ano? Yung matangkad na babae.
Ano yun? Demetres.
Ay, si Demetrius.
Ba't naka ano to? Naka-knife?
Ba't kasi naka third person yan? Ako ba na siya? Hold! Hold! Hold?
Uy, mine.
Ay, may mic. Balas na.
Para saan?
Para? Ay,
Yes.
visit the demon.
You're crazy.
Babalik ka na ata.
Ito.
Yan.
What?
Kabila, kabila, sa kabila.
Kabila, bossing.
On pit kanina eh.
About face.
Bad face.
Nothing but blood and
Left
death.
face.
Huh?
Oh, yung remake nun to, diba? Kaya nga mas mataas yung gig nun eh. Quality yung graphics eh.
Baka por.
To yun?
Por yung mataas eh.
To yun? Yung remake ba?
Kaya nga. Por mas mataas yung 2. Parang 20 gig lang ata.
Hindi. Yung andun si ano?
Well,
Si Valent... Ay. Si ano?
didn't think anyone was left.
Oh my
Sino
You
nga
must
yun?
be pretty tough. Huh.
Si Claire.
3 yun
Who
eh.
the fuck are you?
Ay, Tribel.
Si Claire.
You're not local. Even better.
Joke lang. Ito nga. Si Jill pala
Ah,
yung
kasi
3.
yun.
Jill pala yung 3.
God. Nakakapanas.
Mother Miranda's gonna love you.
Lugi yung ganyan.
Oh, yeah. Magneto.
Quit your whining. We're almost there.
Wet whining kasi.
Ba't kasi nagwa-wine yan?
Oo, di. Bading eh.
The man is of no real use to anyone else, and my daughters do so love entertaining foreigners. Furthermore, I can assure you, if you entrust the mortal to House Dimitros, my daughters and I shall deliver to you the finest.
Wait, please, I want to see.
You mean...
He's away.
You mean... Shut the fuck up!
What? Where?
You mean you'll screw around with him in private, and where's the fun in that? Give him to me, and I'll put on a show that everybody can enjoy.
Ugh, so gauche. What do we care for bread and circuses? The man thinks suffering is assured.
Yak,
regardless.
yak, and if a man's dick is cut off in the castle, blah, blah, blah.
I've heard all your arguments. Some of you were less persuasive than others, but I've made my decision. Heisenberg, the man's fate is in your hands.
Mother Miranda, I must protest. Heisenberg is but a child, and his devotion to you is questionable. Give the mortal to me, and I will ensure he is ready.
Shut your damn hole! And don't be a sore loser! Go find your food somewhere else.
Quiet now, child. Adults are talking.
I'm the child. You're the one who's arguing with Miranda's decision.
You wouldn't know responsibility if it was welded
Oh,
to
keep
that
glorying! One day your head might actually fit your ego!
Hey, don't I get a say in this?
Silence!
My decision is final. There will be no
Silence kasi.
argument. Remember from whence you came.
Thank you.
Remember, wax you
Lycans and gentlemen, we thank you for waiting. And now let the games begin!
Let's see what you're up to. Ethan Winters.
You think I'm
Get
playing?
ready. No, wait! 10, 9,
7, 5, 4. Bagal eh.
Ba yan?
Jesus Christ!
That's right. Run for your life. Very nice, Ethan.
Hanapin mo, matagal pa naman yun eh.
Shit!
My word. You truly are as strong as they say.
Wala. Mga sa likod.
Ano ka gawin dito? I hear!
Ay, yan pala.
Oh my god. Di ka tiyalata ka
Popo.
Oh, you didn't think I'd let you get away, did you? Gotta keep Donna and Moreau entertained. So now it's time for the beautiful, blood-soaked grand finale. Nothing like fresh American ground beef!
Coco.
I'm still alive.
Too close. Wait, do those freaks have Rose?
What do you think, nigga?
My god, parang may ano dyan ah. May mangyayari dito.
Unlock. You unlock it. No power. Ay, no. Wala ako eh.
Parang ganun. Shit, dito muna.
Galing ka dun eh. Sasabihin nito.
Look for Rose. Hindi, dito ako
Sa
galing.
labas na. Ayan, nag-saving na. Diretso!
Tama eh. Uy, merchant.
I've been waiting for you, Mr. Winters.
How do you know my name?
hear my name.
Anyone has heard of the likes of you. A hero
Hanseo.
searching
Here,
for his
searching
daughter.
for his dollar.
Though I must say, that castle arouses suspicion.
Yeah, and so do you.
I am but a humble merchant.
Here?
Oh, forgive my manners. Call me the Duke. Now to business. Weapons, ammunition, healing salves, anything you desire, I can provide.
I can say bye. Lightsaber eh.
Let's see what's going on to ano. Sinong gusto ng beef?
Could Rose be here?
Yun na.
Sa amin.
Mother Brand, the Duke business discussion.
Mamatay.
Saving! Ay, kala ko saving. Nothing happens. Baka open pa power. Oh, open. Ayaw ma-open.
Hindi na ma-open yan.
Ooh! Long range ba ta? Hindi naman.
Nakumin siya. Ayan o.
Haba eh.
Ano yun lang yan?
Coco. Lock.
Coco des.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Yun na.
Rose.
Your sister. Oh yes. 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 Oh my god.
Man blood.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Do what you gotta do with me.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Mother, I bring you fresh prey.
You are so kind to me, daughters. Now, let's take a look at him. Well,
Yes.
Well,
5
Ethan
man.
Winters,
Pwede na.
you escaped my little brother's idiot games, did you? Let's see how special you are.
Yes, Mother. Yes, Mother.
Yes, mother. Yes, please. Vampires.
Starting to go a little stale.
Then let's devour his man flesh quickly, Mother.
I am the one who captured him.
Now, daughters. First, I must inform Mother Miranda. But later, well, there will
Ang
be
laki ng
enough
hinaharap
for
eh.
everyone.
Ewan ko dyan. Laki eh.
Put him up.
Hey, wait.
Oh, be careful what you wish for, Ethan
Be
Winters.
careful. Lucky.
Wait, what are you doing?
Ito napunit yung kamay na dyan.
Okay.
Resist!
Anong receipt?
Punitin mo na lang yung kamay mo. Okay.
Hihira nga.
Yan. Isa pa.
Gagawin natin. Ganun talaga. Sirain talaga.
Amen. Ano lang naman yan? First aid.
Real.
You crazy witches.
Buhusan mo lang ng ano yun.
First aid oh.
Yun na.
Ay, pwede na.
Quality eh.
Sige nga, labas kayo. Crimson glass. Okay.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Ito, lever. Ay, hindi na ano. Kailangan ng key. Ay, lockpick. Meron ako nun ah.
Hindi mo kinuha? Ay, kinuha mo?
Kinuha ko. Ay, gotcha. Yan, parang kaya. Ay. Let's go here.
Coco. Nandyan yan si Miranda. Ay, si ano.
Anak niya.
Never mind.
Uy, Maroon Irene.
Maroon na.
What the fuck? Hindi na
Sa baso.
examine lang yun.
Para saan? May ano yan, may purpose yan. Posible na mga ano.
Pero yun, nakalock din from the others.
Lock din ba yan?
Oo. Ayaw naman.
So, ayun, mata. Sabi mo. Nakakabanas talaga eh.
Mamatay na.
Sa susunod nga, ano nga? Oo, asa?
Pahong ko dyan.
Kalahating oras na sa ganyan lang. Oo, kabanas. Hindi ba yung ano?
Oh shit, I'm infected.
I haven't cut open a man in a while. Let me slice your jugular. Just watch.
Kaso
Which
Wala,
would you
wala ka
prefer?
Which would you?
You will look wonderful mounted in our hall.
Ay.
I can't hold back any longer.
God. I'm fine, ah. Nakademons of the other stop world.
It was quite peculiar. Something, ano? Peculiar. It's,
What the fuck am I supposed?
strange or something?
Is that Demetrius?
Ay! Ayun na, chamber niya na yan.
Dito si Rose.
Ay mo nga, mapa mo, kung chamber ba yan?
Ito nga yung boss. Testing
Hindi pa
room.
nga eh.
Joke lang, iba ba rin.
Baba ka na. Susundan pa eh. Taas ng pride eh.
Malay mo.
Handgun, ano.
Lay.
260 light.
Oh shit.
Elevator yan.
Ay, alam ko na. Joke lang.
Ah, papanay mo. Sige, sige.
Trust in light. Oh my god.
Hindi, iusog mo yung ano mo. Yan, ganyan.
Hirap
Oh my.
balance. Di mabalance.
Diretso mo, tinutulak lang yan. Yan. Wala.
Oh my god. Just get in there,
Parang
bro.
yung nasa 7 lang eh. Sisipain yung sandbag, hindi mo ano eh. Tumama eh. Walang ilaw.
Ay,
Yan na.
ito yung double-sided to. Hindi nagdo-double-sided ah.
Ba yung double-sided tape? Hindi yata ka siya doon basta eh.
Walang ano? Loot. Candidates Irina, Michaela, Luis, Ingrid.
Gabriela. Ingrid. Dahil.
Early alert. Yan.
Coco. Hanggang na mo. Eh, zombie.
The fuck? One shot eh. OP.
The fuck?
Barrel nga ako. Pipe bomb. Ayaw magano.
Troll!
Oh my god, nag-control ako.
Ay, naku.
Baka hindi talaga dyan. Oh my god, bakit naka-cancel yung pag-auto-attack ko? Naka-cancel eh. Boy pa rin? Ingrid. Oh shit. Ay.
Hindi, lusutan lang nila.
Hindi, taihan yan.
Lusutan lang nila. It's locked. Parang galing ka dyan.
Hindi, ba?
I can't believe Cassandra caused all this
my
mess.
Nuna po yung loot eh. Takbo na, daan na! No. And it's bleh.
And it's bad.
Reader.
Bagal eh.
You're going, Leon.
Yes, please!
Cassandra ba?
Kapatid niya.
Bullets cannot harm.
Ay, si...
You stupid man thing! What?
Sa ilaw yan siya, boss.
Breaking!
My god.
Sira mo yung salamin.
I won't forgive you! Bastard!
Sirain mo!
Ayaw nga eh.
Barilet?
Ayaw. Hindi nasisira. Sira na kasi. Ba't di siya nag-freeze?
Malapit na. Mamatay na yan.
How dare
Hindi na siya makano.
you your teeth at us!
Uy, bakit? Hindi siya na yung Ed 1?
Space, boss!
Hindi, gusto ko yung Ed 1. Ano yun?
Crystal Torso.
Wala lang.
Mga crystal yun may pinabenta. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Ay, yung wild.
Ilalagay sana. Sa wine cup. Wine glass.
What's this? Uy. Yun na, para konti lang recoil. Pwede.
Ay, yung si Bella ata. Bella.
Wala na akong pick, lockpick. Oh, ito. Convenient.
Ayun na. Makasabi pa lang.
Healing. Bigyan mo ako healing.
Herb yan, eh. Herb yan, herb. Ay?
Ganyan.
What is that? Binibenta lang ata yun.
What the fuck? Where's it?
Saan ka na? Mapa mo.
Ah, ito yung ano.
Ayun.
Yung nakalock. Ay! Kailangan ng susi pa rin. Kala ko lock lang sa the other side.
Sabihin naman yun ako. You unlock it. Ah, yun pala yun.
Kailangan sa angel statue.
Ay, Kala ko, sa wine glass yun ilalagay.
Oh, sige.
Di ba may dala-dala ka?
Wala. Ako sabi na. Ito courtyard key.
Meron, tinan mo, meron kang dala.
Saan?
Hindi, sa mga item. Hindi dyan. Yan.
Wala.
Hindi dyan. Yan. Meron dyan eh. Ayun o. Crimson glass.
Pang ano lang? Pang benta. Where's the courtyard?
Ano yung binuksan? Ano nakuha mo dun?
Courtyard key. Saan yung courtyard? Ito. Sa baba ko lang.
Shall I give you the tour?
Hindi mo tayo nang walang ilaw.
Saan yung... Wala. Wala ako yun.
Na. Andun siya oh.
Dementor.
Hindi ko nakita. Laki-laki, hindi ko nakita.
Mo dyan?
Wala narinig na. Mga pa rin.
What have you done to my daughter?
Nagalit na. Galit na.
Oh, what's this? Find the mistress chamber. Saan na ba ako? Ito, sa kabila. Pasok na ako
Nandyan siya
doon.
eh. Hindi. Nandun pa siya. What the hell? Some kind of... basahin mo muna yung nasa harapan.
Ano pala? Women are blind to male advances, but the poor shall take their chance. What
So
the
that's
fuck?
on the wine may flow.
Dapat nakatutok to sa women.
Ha? Sure about that?
Asan yung ito? And ano? But the poor shall take their chance to give their lord their bounties on. What the fuck?
Sabi nito.
Ano yun? Ano daw?
Women nga eh, are blind to male advances eh.
But the poor shall take their chances to give their lord their bounty. So that's when the wine may. To lord nila.
Nagbe-beg sila ng wine. Yung wine eh, no? Hawak nung isa.
Ayan. Tama naman ah.
Chances to give their bounties on.
Ay,
Tutok mo yung ano.
baka ito yung ano, lord nila. Oo nga, siya nga yung lord.
Ay, gano'n ba yan?
Nonsense.
Ay. Parang walang nangyari sa kamay niya. Na,
Diba
go.
doon punta-punta sa ano? Demetres Chamber. Doon nga muna ako.
Andun nga siya eh.
Kaya nga. O baka...
Paano ako makapunta? Maya pa yun.
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the fuck?
Paano?
That nigga.
Uy. 220 ray.
Hindi siya nai-stun ba nung pag binaril? Nonsense.
Ayun. Pick up.
Saan yun?
Apo.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh my god!
You're dead. Fuck. Hindi marunong mag-space.
Gusto ko baril lang ng baril eh.
Oh my god. Ano? Sikot. Ay, nako. Mamatay na lang.
Long range.
Ganyan. Wala pang bahal. Walang daanan.
Examine. Baka ito yung sa labas. Kailangan ng lever. Okay, iba pala.
Ayan na. Pwede ka nang dumaan dun. Papunta sa ano.
Oh, saving.
Chamber na ba yan?
Ano to? Tawag dyan. Terrace.
Ay, sa gilid. Sa gilid ka pupunta. Sa terrace niya. Uy, 1,000 yun. Oh. Upo ka, upo.
Hindi ako kita eh.
Ewan ko dyan. Walang mata.
Mother Miranda, I regret to inform you that Ethan Winters has escaped that fool Heisenberg.
Fool Heisenberg.
Because he is in my castle and has already proven too much for my daughters to handle. When I find him... No, Mother Miranda. Yes, of course, I understand the importance of the ceremony. I won't let you down.
I won't let you down.
To hell with the ceremony! That man will pay for what he's done.
Oh, what he's done? Pinatay kasi yung ano eh, si Bella.
Ewan ko dyan. Gawin natin. Patay na eh.
Rose,
Natay.
where are you?
Ay, saan yun?
Nakuha mo na.
Hindi ko na ano.
Nakuha mo na.
Hindi ko.
Hindi, nakuha mo na.
Ay, ito sa taas. Kalokohan.
Oh my god. Di ba pinakita yung kanina doon? Ayan na.
There you are. All this for a child who isn't even here.
What the hell do...
You ungrateful, selfish
Yes.
wretch! You come
Yes,
into
Mom.
my house! You lay your filthy man hands on my daughters! And now you even
Ano ba
try
dyan?
to steal
Manyaki si
my
Ethan eh.
property!
Ay, man.
Dare
Lolive!
rest while you can! Because I will hunt you, and I will break you!
Go ahead,
Di na
do your
pinatay
worst.
dun.
Ikaw nga. Here.
Binaba pa siya dyan.
Binigyan pa ako ng time.
Crawling back to you. Na, 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 na. Ay. Examine.
Wala nag...
Oh! Sa controls yun, boss.
Wala eh.
Key bindings, oh. Oh my god, key bindings. Ayun, crouch. Control mo.
Recover
Yan,
items. Eddie G.
G. Bakit G? C
Ay,
mo.
H na lang.
Para magpalit.
Oh my god. Wala na ba iba? Friendship.
Bakit? Ayun, ako yan. Kulit eh.
Unable to apply changes since some actions are unbound or bound to the same piece. Okay naman ah.
Baka may iba pang control. Ay, eh. Ano yan?
May powers. May powers.
May control din.
Oh my god. Sige, yan na lang. Ibahin ko na lang yung ano. Yung heal. Yan na yung heal.
Sa taas. My god. Taas.
Gawin ko ang G.
Grabe yung bust ng speaker nila. Tandang...
Yun na.
Ay!
Ay, ito yung ano, ikakabit.
Like I'd let you get away.
Quality ah.
You'll be
Dalawang
sliced to
kamay na eh.
ribbons before you ever see the chance.
Laki-laki niya eh. Paano siya napunta dyan? Teleport.
What it means to insult House Domitresk.
Takbo!
What the fuck is this?
Open mo yung ano?
Look! Asan,
Kunin mo yung kamay mo.
asan yung kamay ko?
Too late to turn
Nasa likod
back.
lang.
Wala yun. Sinarado
Yung-
niya oh.
Ha?
Sinarado
Hindi.
niya.
Hindi. Diyan pa talaga.
Dito yung kamay ko.
Oh, yan. Lukuhan eh. Sinirado daw.
Ang bagal eh.
Ikot ka muna.
Titigan lang ako.
Ikot ka muna!
Anong ikot?
Ayan sa likod mo, may ikutanan, no? Sayang.
Yan yung kamay ko.
Wala ka ng heal.
Hindi ako makahil eh. Kailangan ng kamay.
Ayun na, boss na yun. Patakasan mo muna yun. My hands. Patay na dapat.
Bagal eh.
Ayun na.
Ay, sorrow. Meron na ako nung isa.
Running will get you nowhere!
Running will get you nowhere. Wala man ng bandage siya. Oy!
Ay!
Pati damit na bumalik.
Pwede na.
Ang ano yun, Halatang infected doon siya eh. Ano eh. Nahihil yung ganyan eh, nakakabanas.
Good.
Man, screw this castle.
Quality yun.
Yung mga ano, monster. Anyway,
Objective.
escape the castle.
Escape.
Paano ano to? Yung nakuha ko.
Ilagay mo na yung mukha. Yung mukha sa ano. Ako. Aanahin mo yan eh. Kukunin mo lahat yan habang hinahabol ka ata.
Saan nagbukas?
Wala.
Find daw eh.
It's a pleasure to see you safe. How were things?
No sign of Rose.
I'm so sorry it turned out that way. Well, you'll find your way to her once you're out of this castle. Do you have need of anything for the road ahead? Thanks to your consistent patronage, I've expanded my services.
Oh, yes.
Sige.
Aha!
6, 7.
Ay, ito
Ano
yung
yung
panggawaan nung ano.
Ay, recipe?
Oo. Alam mo, mas maganda to eh. 1-4 yung damage oh.
Dito. Sige, pilin mo.
Maya na. Pag marami ng pera.
Have a wonderful adventure.
Saving.
Benta mo yung ano mo. Dami mo ng pera eh.
Hell no. Wait. Di ba may ibang nabuksan?
Wala kang bubuksan dyan. May susi ka naman eh.
Escape.
Dyan sa...
Oops. Baka dito, bukas na.
The fuck?
Nothing happened. Hanapin ko pa nga yung ano. Yung
I won't last until...
Four angel statue.
You disgusting elf!
Look forward.
Patay ka, dalawa nag-habol sa'yo. You're dead. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you're dead. Give up already.
I won't last until dinner.
Dito yung ano, di ba? Bagal eh. Leisure.
Tignan mo po yung mga mapa.
I was worried my sisters had gotten to you first.
Ah, ayun na. Ano yan? Ilaw.
Nonsense naman.
Mother said stale, but I think you're delicious.
Di ba bomba or something?
Don't move now.
Wala akong bomba eh.
Mag-mine ka nga.
The fuck?
You've ruined the hunt!
Parang yan.
Curse you!
May shotgun, ayaw gamitin.
Walang bale.
Isa na lang.
Oh my god!
Oh
Bilis
my
naman na ito.
God.
No!
Ayun na, mamatay siya.
You're done!
You're dead.
You will not get away! You're my Prima!
Ayun na, si Cassandra.
Crazy witch.
Sino na lang ngayon natira?
Isa na lang. Ano yung nakuha ko kanina? Parang may nakuha ko kanina.
Wala. Kunin mo lang.
Oh, nandito yun. What the fuck? Ayun oh! Oh my god! Para saan yun?
Wala lang. Ay? Natuto na mag-examine ah. Examine mo ulit.
Ano yung protrusion in the back?
Ay, may lalagay yata yun dyan.
May lalagay dun sa face. At dito, babalik.
Galit na yun si Dimitricus.
Herb. Silver ring. Parang ito yung kanina.
Examine.
Wala eh. Dito.
Ayun o. Silver
Bebenta
ring.
lang. Parang ano to i-combine.
Ay,
Ay, may lalagyan ng ano, parang ruby, ganun.
Hindi, mata. Talagyan ng mata.
Paano ito buksan?
F. F.
Hindi. Eh di maano ako dito. Ay, alam ko na, ito yung ano, animal skull.
Replace. Diyan siya eh.
Hindi ako narinig eh.
Sa bendaan, ay babaan.
Saan pa ba di ko pa napuntahan? Eto, kabila.
Ayun.
What the fuck?
Ano ba yung nahabol ka?
Ang ko dyan? Di marunong maghabol.
Bagal niya.
Lo! Bagal eh, naunahan ko pa. Umikot na nga ako.
Habulin mo na lang kasi.
Ito, happiness. Pleasure. Wait. Pleasure ba to? Oh, pleasure na.
Hindi naman gagana yun kung hindi eh. Kalokohan. Huwag ka na hanapin mo na yung iba.
Ako pupunta niyan.
Hindi walang daanan. Hindi, pwede kang umikot ah.
Hindi, saan ako next pupunta? Courtyard na, no? Dito. Hindi pa ako na ano eh. Napuntahan. Tumandaan ba siya dito? Tangin, nakita
Takpan
ako.
dyan, boss. Ano, nakikita talaga na.
Angkad ba naman?
Hindi siya makatakbo eh. Yung dress niya kasi. Yan.
Anong bala?
Ay, they're dead.
Ayoko mag-melee eh. Opa. Dito ba? Puntahan ko na.
Yan, buksan
Hindi
mo.
pa.